Good morning everyone. My name is Bhuvana Goda. I am studying in 5th standard A section. Today I am going to tell a story about Fox and the Crow. A fox was walking through the jungle. He was so hungry and looked something to eat. He sees the crow sitting on the tree and the crow has a piece of cheese in his beak. I love cheese. I think I have found my breakfast. But how can I get the cheese? Thinks the fox. He thinks and thinks. Then he has a clever idea. Fox sits at the bottom of the tree and looks up at the crow. Good morning, Miss Crow, says Fox. The crow looks down at the fox. She says nothing. She said good morning. I said good morning. Did you hear me? Says the fox. The crow is suspicious. She holds the cheese tightly in her beak and she says nothing. This is not so easy, thinks the fox. But he does not give up. You are really beautiful bird. Your wings are so shiny. Your eyes are so nice. Beak is so pointy, says fox. Still the crow says nothing. Then fox says, Miss Crow, your voice is so magnificent. I hear that you have a most wonderful voice. Please sing me just as one song. Then I can tell everyone you are the queen of the birds. This makes the crow feel good. She wants everyone to know she has a wonderful voice. Then she smiles at the fox. Then she opens her mouth to sing her best song for the fox. The piece of the cheese fell down on, on the ground. The fox quickly ate it and said, Yummy! Thank you for the delicious food, Miss Crow. Then he walks away. The crow became sad and flew away. The moral of the story is beware of flatters. They often want something from you. Thank you.